Imagine a business that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. A system that generates passive income while you sleep, travel, or spend time with your family. Sounds like a dream? With artificial intelligence, this is already a reality. Welcome to Wealth 2.0, Financial Mastery with AI. Here, you'll discover smart strategies to grow your wealth, create passive income, and achieve financial freedom using the power of AI. In this video, we will explore how you can create an automated business using AI and ensure a scalable income stream. We will understand the concepts, tools, and challenges of this model. Don't get left behind. Join us and discover how to build an automated and scalable business using AI. What exactly are automated business models? These are systems that use technology to operate with minimal human intervention. This means that once set up, they work autonomously, generating revenue and scaling quickly. For example, in a stock-free e-commerce model, AI manages orders, suppliers, and even marketing campaigns. In affiliate marketing, AI can optimize product promotion and increase conversions. Additionally, it is now possible to create automated digital content and use chatbots to provide 24/7 customer service. These models require less manual work and offer great growth potential. Artificial intelligence is transforming businesses in ways that were not possible a few years ago. Today, you can automate repetitive tasks such as responding to customer inquiries and personalizing experiences based on user behavior. A clear example is the use of chatbots, which replace human agents in various stages of customer support. Another case is automated marketing, where AI analyzes consumer behavior and suggests personalized campaigns, increasing sales without constant manual management. Now let's get to the important part. How can you create your own automated business? Follow these essential steps. Imagine running an online store without having to stock products. With dropshipping, you sell items from third-party suppliers who ship directly to the customer. You only pay when a sale is made, reducing costs and risks. With the right automation tools, orders, payments, and even customer support can be managed by AI, making your business highly scalable. Start with a profitable niche, set up your store, and let automation do the heavy lifting. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you earn commissions by promoting other companies' products or services. Simply sign up for an affiliate program, generate a unique link, and share it on blogs, social media, or ads. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you get a percentage of the sale. The best part? With AI, you can automate content creation, optimize campaigns, and target the right audience, making your business passive and profitable. Selling digital products is one of the most profitable ways to generate income online. You can create ebooks, online courses, templates, or software once and sell them infinitely with no additional production costs. With AI tools, you can generate content, create educational videos, and even personalize materials automatically. Plus, automation platforms handle sales, deliveries, and customer support, turning your digital business into a revenue-generating machine. ChatGPT is an advanced AI-powered assistant that helps businesses automate communication and content creation. From answering customer inquiries to generating blog posts and social media captions, ChatGPT enhances efficiency and saves time. By integrating ChatGPT into your workflow, you can streamline support, boost engagement, and even create high-quality content effortlessly. Whether you run an online store, a blog, or a service-based business, your ultimate productivity partner, Jasper AI is a cutting-edge AI writing assistant designed to help businesses create high-converting content quickly. Whether you need blog articles, ad copies, or email sequences, Jasper AI uses deep learning to craft compelling and engaging text. It understands tone, context, and audience preferences, making it a perfect tool for marketers and entrepreneurs. Copy AI is an AI-driven tool that automates content creation for businesses, entrepreneurs, and marketers. With just a few prompts, Copy AI generates compelling sales copy, social media posts, product descriptions, and more. It eliminates writer's block and speeds up content production, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Whether you're launching a campaign or optimizing your website, Copy AI helps you craft persuasive content in seconds. Creating content manually takes time, but AI makes it effortless. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Copy AI, you can generate high-quality blogs, engaging social media posts, and even full videos in minutes. AI-driven content automation helps you maintain consistency, reach a wider audience, and scale your business faster. Whether it's writing articles, crafting captions, or producing video scripts, AI does the work for you so you can focus on growing your brand. Success isn't just about automation, it's about tracking and improving. By monitoring key metrics like engagement, conversion rates, and customer behavior, you can make data-driven decisions to scale your business. AI-powered analytics tools provide real-time insights, helping you identify what's working and what needs adjustment. The more you optimize, the more efficient and profitable your business becomes. Keep refining, keep growing, let AI guide your success. Like any business model, AI automation comes with its challenges. One big concern is over-reliance on AI. While automation can handle many tasks, human oversight is essential. Backup plan and regularly monitor your systems to avoid unexpected failures. Another challenge is the upfront cost. Many AI tools require subscriptions or upfront investments, which can seem expensive at first. However, by reducing manual work and increasing efficiency, AI quickly pays for itself, becoming a long-term asset rather than a liability. You can also access free versions like ChatGPT, which can be used as a learning tool, as well as leading to your first results and beyond. Finally, scalability can be tricky. Rapid growth without a solid framework can lead to inefficiencies, system overloads, and poor customer experiences. The solution: scale strategically. Ensure your processes, team, and technology are ready to support expansion before driving aggressive growth. By addressing these challenges early, you can build a sustainable and profitable business with AI technology. To recap, we saw how AI-powered automated business models can transform your financial life by reducing manual work and increasing your profits. We covered concepts, effective tools, and the challenges you may face along the way. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of the automated business models discussed today would you like me to explore in depth in future videos? Leave your comment below. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to receive exclusive content in 2025. Thanks for watching Wealth 2.0. A big hug and see you in the next video.